Good morning, parents and dear students. Today we are going to celebrate National Safety Day. National Safety Day campaign highlights the importance of reduction of the rate of industrial accidents and also focuses on the areas that have not yet been covered by any safety legislations. The campaign urges several organizations to participate in developing several activities as per their legal safety requirements. The campaign is mostly comprehensive, general and flexible. This year, the theme for National Safety Day is Sadak Suraksha, means road safety. National Safety Day history. The Ministry of Labour, Government of India set up the National Safety Council of India (NSC) on March 4, 1966 to develop and sustain the movement of SHE, that is focusing on safety, health and environment at the national level. Basically, NSC is an autonomous body. Therefore, the foundation day of the National Safety Council was decided to observe as National Safety Day in 1972. It was also decided to celebrate it as National Safety Week. The National Safety Day campaign is placed in India consistently organized by the National Safety Council to celebrate the foundation of this occasion, 4th of March, and also upgrade the well-being, mindfulness among individuals. Objectives: first, ensure that safety and health are integrated in work culture and lifestyle. Second, renew the commitment of the employees towards safety and health at workplace. Third, achieve greater participations of the employees in OSH activities. Approach: first, achieve the greatest participation of the employees. Tap local talents in your factory for the celebration. Stress on the OSH needs of your unit. Identify and highlight local OSH issues. Distribute OSH promotional material amongst the employees. These are the main approach of NSC. We will celebrate India's 49th National Safety Day this year. Main objective of celebrating this day is to bring safety awareness among the common people and prevent accidents. During this week, people are made aware of the ways to avoid industrial accidents through various awareness programs. The only purpose of every activity carried out in this whole week is to make people aware of their safety and to make them aware of different ways of protection. The idea of commemorating the foundation day of the council, 4th March, and the first National Day NSD campaign was launched in 1972 and has since been organized every year. The campaign, now entering its 47th year, has grown into a major national campaign widely celebrated by industry, trade unions, government, departments, regulatory agencies, NGOs and institutions with the activity support of the central and state governments and media. It has made impact on the industrial scenario at the national level by contributing to increased safety awareness and reduction in accidents. Started for a single day on 4th March as NSD, the campaign has now been spread over a week from 4 to 11 March. The campaign is aimed at renewing the commitment of employees and general public to work safety throughout the year. The ultimate objective of the campaign is to ensure integration of OSH in work culture and lifestyle. This year's themes for National Safety Day is Sadak Suraksha, means road safety. So we will be looking upon road safety rules. Rule for the trespassers by the road. Know your signal. Always keep in mind, use zebra crossing, look both sides before crossing the road and don't run on the road. Road safety rules for cars. Always wear a seat belt. Avoid distractions, means do not use mobile or look here and there. Never drink and drive. Always respect speed limit. Never jump a traffic signal, means don't break any traffic signal. And maintain your car. Keep car in a proper servicing. Safety rules for two-wheelers. First, pre-check your vehicle. Always wear fully covered helmet. Follow the speed limit. Use indicators while driving at night or day. Maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. Here are some golden rules of road safety. Stop or slow down when you see stop signal. Never use mobile phone while driving. Always wear seat belt. Always obey the speed limit. Always wear your helmet. Never mix drinking and driving, means do not drink and drive. Do not overspeed your vehicle from the speed given by the government for that road.